Apple is a popular fruit in Argentina, Austria, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Apples originally come from Central Asia, especially modern-day Kazakhstan, and spread through trade routes like the Silk Road. They are rich in vitamin C and fiber, supporting the immune system and digestion. Popular varieties include Granny Smith and Red Delicious in Argentina, Golden Delicious and Gala in Austria, Elstar and Braeburn in Germany, and Cox's Orange Pippin and Bramley in the UK. Apples are widely used for eating and cider. Some varieties were even developed to stay fresh during long sea journeys. Mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and Philippines. Mangoes have been grown for over 4,000 years in South Asia. They are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which are great for skin and eyes. Famous varieties include Alfonso and Kesar in India, Sindri, Chaunsa, and Anwar Ratol in Pakistan, and Carabao in the Philippines. Mangoes are highly valued in global markets, especially in Europe and the Middle East. Orange is one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world and is strongly associated with countries like Brazil and Spain. Oranges originated in Southeast Asia and later spread across the world through trade. They are rich in vitamin C and are well known for boosting immunity. Popular varieties include navel oranges, Valencia oranges, and blood oranges. Brazil is the largest producer of orange juice, while Spain is famous for exporting fresh oranges across Europe. Blueberries are strongly associated with United States and Canada. They are native to North America and were used by indigenous people long before farming began. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin K, helping brain and heart health. The U.S. mainly grows high-bush varieties, while Canada is known for wild low-bush blueberries. They are expensive fresh out of season, but widely available frozen. Kiwi is widely grown in China, the world's largest producer. It originally comes from China and was known as Yangtao. Later, it became popular worldwide after cultivation in New Zealand. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. The Hayward variety is the most common, while golden kiwis are sweeter. Kiwi seeds also contain small amounts of omega-3. Grapes are an important fruit in Spain. They have been cultivated for over 6,000 years in Mediterranean regions. Grapes are used for wine, fresh eating, and raisins. Popular varieties include Tempranillo and Garnacha for wine, and Muscat for table grapes. Spain exports grapes and wine worldwide. A famous tradition is eating 12 grapes at midnight on New Year's Eve for good luck. Persimmons are widely grown in Japan. They have been cultivated for over 1,000 years. Fuyu is eaten firm, while hachia becomes sweet when soft. Persimmons are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants and are often dried into snacks. Cherries are popular in Albania and nearby regions. They have been enjoyed for centuries and are a good source of vitamin C. Sweet and sour cherries are used in desserts and juices, and they are also exported during harvest season. Pomegranate is the national fruit of Afghanistan. It is one of the oldest cultivated fruits, originally from the region of Iran and Afghanistan. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Afghan varieties, especially from Kandahar, are known for their sweetness and deep color. Bananas are commonly grown in Cambodia and across Southeast Asia. They originated in this region and have been cultivated for thousands of years. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6. Common varieties include Cavendish and local cooking bananas. They are also used in cultural traditions. Watermelons are widely grown in Turkmenistan. They originated in Africa and are about 92% water, making them perfect for hydration. They also contain vitamin C and lycopene. Watermelons are refreshing in hot climates and can grow to very large sizes. If you liked this quick trip through national fruits, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends so more people can taste these stories.